release myself from the need to be judgmental. It doesn't serve me. I forgive myself for judging myself and other people. Everyone is doing the best they can with what they have and what they know. The ability to make a quick decision about someone is an ancient protective mechanism that kept my ancestors safe. It doesn't serve me now. It's default behavior that I choose to consciously overcome now. When I catch myself judging, I release that thought and I release it with love. I am choosing a new pattern now, a new way of seeing and operating in the world. I choose to override the command. The less I judge, the more I deepen my capacity to love. The less I judge, the more I'm able to connect with others, myself, and the universe. Judging serves no one. I gain nothing from it. I choose to see the beauty and the good first. I am open, accepting, and light.
Follow the Affirmation Babe on Instagram and go to affirmationbabe.com/money to download free instant money-making affirmations. And remember, you can have it all.